There we go. Hi, everybody. My name's Dallas, and we're making a website. I apologize, I'm still getting some stuff set up here. Alright. So, we last left off with our website looking amazing. Not at all like a firestorm. I don't even know what that is. Oh, yeah, we've got sometimes scroll bars too. Perfect. What? I'm gonna set a max width on those. Like 1,000 pixels? And then it will do exactly the same thing still. What's doing that? Oh, that's doing that. Well, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, 20 is good. Alright. Is it still... That's kind of fun. Alright. I said last time I was gonna do a mouse follower and also deploy it. We'll do the mouse follower first. I've always wanted to do this. No client has ever asked for this. So it's fun to do it off screen. Let's see how other people did it. Okay, not this guy's. That could have just been the... That's not fair. That could have just been the... Can I customize it more than this? React cursor follow. Y'all need a dark mode. Even my shitty site has one. What's your guys' problem? Can I put... If this still exists, I can show you what I mean beforehand. Yeah, they took it away. There used to be, like, everywhere your mouse would go, a series of shapes would follow you on cool math games. This was like... Geez, like 15 years ago now. It was an option they offered. And I like that. So 25 weekly downloads. See? Not wait, what? Was that the same one? Give me a second. Yes. That's exactly the same one. Okay. 25 weekly downloads. Usually this means this isn't good. I take it to mean that I might be able to look under the hood and rebuild this without a package. And now I've signed myself up for more than I wanted to do. So we're doing it. Source. We may not be doing it, but it depends on how much of a pain in the ass it's going to be. Is that all it is? That's okay. Documents. Please use. Why use layout effect versus use effect? Yeah, okay. It's also supposed to have a dependency list. Oh, I need it. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Stop doing that. No, that's what I wanted. I couldn't see if anyone was in chat. Don't worry. No one was. Just as I thought. Alright. So why? I'm just gonna use a regular use effect. Also, I'm getting these fucking semicolons out of here. Alright. Why were you using state? I guess you probably can't use a ref, huh? Yeah, there we go. Wait, what are you whining about? You're importing a component that needs use effect. It's React hooks only the client component. Oh, this is a next thing. Alright. Can I just set the metadata manually? Yeah. Yes. Alright. Will you please quit yelling at me now? That would be fantastic. Nope, you're not done yet. Rest is not defined. Yeah, same, dude. Yeah, we'll just... what do they call it? Mouse follower. Then I need... You just pull an app CSS? Well, I feel dumb putting this in app. Base at least makes a little bit more sense. Border radius 50, background black. That's probably exactly what I want, dude. Also save that. Alright. Then I need add device type. Desktop. Yes! Yes, look at that. Now this thing follows your mouse, and we can style it to make it look however we want. And it is fixed. I'm kind of surprised about that. We can make it... Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Good idea. Is there... Yeah, okay, cool. Also, are you still whining about stuff? Div cannot be a child of HTML. Okay, that's fair. Okay, are you done whining about stuff now? Sweet. One thing that's fun to find out is sometimes somebody wrote a package for something that you think is going to be a pain in the ass to do, and it's not that bad. And now, look at that ridiculous thing that follows your mouse around everywhere. I can't believe how responsive that is. They just add more divs inside of it? Times like 5? Make them ever so slightly off from each other. Actually, will that do it right there? No. That's Control-Shift-I, right? Alright. We'll make them all 10 pixels. Huh. Now it's starting to break stuff. Perfect. Ah. I don't know that I need that. Do I need that ID to make it work? No, I didn't think so. Okay. Why'd you put an ID on it then? I guess you had some important styling stuff then? Yeah. That was, starting to see why I don't get called to do this. It's actually easier than I think it is. So if I did... Not you. Actually. Check. We added a mouse follower. So there's 6 there. I'm going to go up to 10. Oh, SAS for loops. animation. Yes, that is precise. Thank you, Super Maven. I'm also gonna make them off a little bit more. No. Oh. Transition. I want it pretty noticeable. Is it just Nth child? Okay, that's gonna bug me. Okay, that's what I meant. Except this would be first child. And that would be last child. Except there's 6, so it should be on 6. Alright. And then, yes, yes. That part came from Super Maven. It looks right. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. I guess those wouldn't be children. Well, they're not children of themselves. I don't think you can do that. Dot mouse follower. Nth child. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there we go. Now it's... This site can barely function. That's precisely what I wanted. So why'd they go? Oh, I guess there'd be a down slope. You should learn math, kids. If you would all study graphs, you'd know exactly why that went up here instead of down here. So can we also transition delay so that the top and left values is it? It's transition, isn't it? Why do I feel so dumb now? Oh, because I'm using all animations. Yes. Oh no. Alright, now that our site is so absolutely ridiculously annoying to use, let's make sure everyone can access it. That's fantastic. Hang on. I want just a bit faster response. Oh yeah, that made it worse. I have accidentally made a caterpillar. This is the best thing ever. I will cherish it forever and always. Alright. Stop screwing around. Deploy to Netlify. Ah. Anything that scares you because you think you're dragging something somewhere as soon as you open the website, that's a good website. I might do some stuff on my second screen while I do this. Because, no, there's... Is it Netlify? I want it from Next.js. They give the perfect way to do this. Alright, it's time to ship to production. Yeah, it looks great. You can deploy with Next.js, manage Next.js with Vercel, or self-host on a Node.js server, Docker image, or even static HTML. Vercel. Do I... Give me just a second. Check one more time. No one's here anyways. Sign in with GitHub. Private. What? No, I'm not making a new project. No. Oh, maybe it's not saying that. What do I call it? Chat app? Yes. Why can't I just... Why? Add a new project. Yes, thank you. Yeah. There's no env variables actually. We're just good to deploy it. Where are you deploying it to? Oh, I need my Cloudflare program. I'll put up the URL for it too, so you guys, if you want to go mess with the site at all, you can. Oh. Well, I can show you this part. Oh, it's deploying. I just deployed. Yay! Oh, there we can add a domain there. All right. Add a domain. That one. I can't do subdomains? Yeah. Well, yeah, I didn't think so. Lame. Alright, set the following record. Oh! Sweet. Come on. Add a new one. CNAME chat. And we'll call that there. DNS records are set up correctly, but it can take some time to propagate globally. Alright. So, oh sweet, it's in my area at least. This will take a minute. I'm going to pin that at the very top. But now this app is available to you if you would like it at chat.dallasjamesdeveloper.com. Can I put that in the... There's a chat. Every day after I finish, I'll push to master and it will redeploy with whatever changes we did. Damn, I thought that was going to take a lot longer. I do need to fix that. Okay. Alright. There's got to be a way to make this smoother. First off, we can start by just going up to 6. The ease in outs unnecessary. That's a little smoother. It's awful, but it's still a bit smoother. Great thing about this is it will absolutely be on the entire site, no matter how much you try to get rid of it. I think I did an about page that's not done. Yep, still here. Still here. Still following you around and pissing off your browser. I'm gonna say, first off, instead of this top and left, hang on, so our mouse follower, nope, our mouse follower. We'll change that to linear just for fun. Oh, we could go through and style each one individually. That'd be fun. That'll be good. I'll teach shapes to kids with CSS. What was I doing? I think that about page is live too. It's super informative. It says about, and there's no styling to it. Wrong one. Yes. Alright, so instead we're going to do transform here. And all these lefts. Oh, how the fuck do you do that for this? I do kind of want to, const mouse follower count is 5. That's not what I wanted, Supermaven. What am I looking for? Const follower array equals array from yes, yes, yes. All of that looks correct. So now we have follower array dot map. Item index. Return one of these. We could assign them all to random ints. What I'm doing with this is saving a little bit here. Now we can change the mouse follower count variable that I set up here, and it just makes however many of those mouse follower objects we want it to. And styles them all the same. But we need it to do this. So probably index times 100. Why is it moving so well? What error? Oh, I don't have a key in there. My bad. You're right. It's getting long enough now, I gotta... That bugs me too, dude. Item dash plus index. Thank you. Oh! That was kind of cool looking. Alright. We gotta stop screwing with that though, because we need to go to a transform. Transforms are supposed to be easier than that, or harder than that. Yes. Good English. Alright. Whoa. So, transforms tend to be a bit smoother when you're animating them. I mean, not in this case where we're doing dumb shit, but I love watching the scroll bar not be there. And then it is there again. Alright, so I think we'll go back up to 10 and we'll set this count at 10. And then the site will just be completely broken. Yeah. Minus mouse follower count divided by 2. This should put us Now we're in the center of these. Ish. If we make that, we might be able to get that right in the center. That would be really cool. If they all stay 100 by 100, then we let it rest. One, two, three, four, five, 6. Yeah, that's 10 there. No, maybe it's plus 100. Plus 200. I don't actually know what I'm doing. This is really not... It's got to do something, right? You know what? Never mind. I liked it the way it was. Perfect. Oh, and then we have a set top left here. There. I can also... We need stuff to click on. This hero is going to be clickable now. Just to proof something out, really. Yes, that's precisely what I wanted. What? Event handlers cannot be on to pass to client component props. Wait, no, what is that? Do I have to put use client on everything? I'm not looking for that, man. Okay. So, see how I can click it here? Now, let me clear that. I'm going to try and only click when there's one of these things in the way. Yeah. So if you're, oh. Yeah, see how this hasn't said clicked over here yet? That's what console log does, is it writes stuff in this thing. Yeah, that's awesome. Just in case, what is it? Pointer events, none. So now, for sure, if one of these dots is in your way, you can't click on anything. Also, now I kind of want to make it down to 1 and make it to where you can't click anything at all. Alright, we'll stop doing that. Yes, perfect. Now it's always in the way. And what if I go back to having 10 of them? Alright. What if I go back to, not divided by 2. Minus that. Oh, divided by 2. Alright. At rest, I can't click anything now. Right? Sometimes I can. That's still very annoying. Can we make it a full X? If we go 20. Oh shit, that's okay. This is getting to be a lot of math. New X. We're not using new X. Index modulo 2 equals 0. That's probably what I meant. Oh, that's not quite what I meant, but that's kind of cool too. And it's a bit more responsive somehow. Alright. Actually, let's do this. Const multiplier equals, because it should just be the minus and the plus. Index what was it? Index minus yes times 100 . Alright. That's still not... Oh my god. Everything's broken. How did... What? Okay, so do I have to break it into 4? How do I... Okay, hang on. Let's go down to 4. Alright, so how are they lining themselves up? I wanted to set it in the middle. And then have, like, it cross where your mouse is. And I need 5 to do that properly. Did I type 3? No, I did not. Alright. Oh, there is 5. I just have the positioning that messed up. Oh. Because that's going to be the same thing. It should always be a plus. That's what I already did. I just need to figure out how to get 2 of those to be like a square. I feel like an idiot. Should just... Okay, that gets me in the center of it. I need to swap the X and Y. I know I could do this easier. I could just have one div with children in it that are already done that way. But I want each of these to move on its own. I think it'll be fun. Wonder what happens if I screw. Okay, I'm gonna do this as a one at a time thing so that I can see if I can see a pattern. So if index equals 1, yep, wrong way, equals 0, my bad. New x, no, multiplier's out too. I mean, only commented out, and I'm probably going to use the math. And we're going to go let new x equals 0. Same for y. New x, so if we're doing 0 minus 4 divided by 2, so minus 2, equals negative 200. Ah. Oh, wait. Didn't I have the minus 50 on there? Alright, so you're 100. You're 0. You're positive 100 and you're positive 200. And you're an idiot. Times X. Feel like that's gonna... Oh. Also set the Y's. Alright. Is that just so many pixels that you can't even focus anymore? Alright, let's do this again. But I want to log out of... Alright. I want to go back here. Alright. So... That's perfect. Oh. Was that the issue? then the minus 50. Plus 50. Plus 25. I've not been talking for like the past hour, I'm sorry. Oh. Why did I think there had to be a 50 in there? Alright. So, math.apps. Yes. Wait, what was that? I'm connected at the middle one. Okay. Believe it or not, that is closer to what I'm looking for. Okay. Here. If this is always positive, then I can make it look like an idiot. What is going on? Okay. Alright. Everybody find their buddy. Leader doesn't have a buddy. That's sad. just want to keep screwing with this until it, no, why are you doing that? That doesn't look right. Also, stop logging that. I just realized you're doing that. It's probably not helping. Shit. Oh, it's screwing up the delay. Perfect. Alright, well, I'm out of ideas. Oh, I was gonna make those shapes. Yeah. Shouldn't I just be able to... I'm gonna full on reload. Yeah, that still works. Why did I think this wouldn't work? Actually, it worked better before, I think. Better's a relative term. This is a, better to rule in hell. Okay, first off, let's set it back to 20, because I hate my computer. And this will for sure kill it. Eventually. I forgot that it's also changing colors. That's just so annoying. Now but yeah, I can't even see all of these at once. This is how I feel like, I don't know if Neil deGrasse Tyson has a website, but this is what it should look like. All of the planets just following your mouse around. Now I have to know. NeildeGrasseTyson.com. Well, you don't have it. I'm very disappointed in you. You need all of the planets following your mouse. CSS some planets together. Yep, now we're doing that. All that time I spent figuring that out, it's gonna be real simple. Why are the first 10 like... Oh, that's the last 10. Because I only went up to 10. If you've ever wanted to feel like a ghost is following you around your site, I got you. There's 9 planets, right? Or 8. Pluto's not a planet anymore. Ooh, we could even go fancy and make Pluto all fucked up, because it goes on a different orbit. Alright. We get 8. Stop being so damn weird with your animation. Why'd I screw this up? That's it. Index is always... There! Yes, sir, that's what I wanted. Somehow more... Well, I had the developer tools open before, so that probably wasn't helping. Alright, 1 through 20. Just kidding, we're only doing 8. Ah. No, I just want. And we're gonna do one at a time, because... Oh, and I guess while we're here... No, I like being... I'd have to reconfigure it. Yeah, that would suck. Let's see. First, I don't know what color any of the planets are. I want a very big... Oh shit, I forgot about the sun. Brave Images. I think... Oh, nah, this shit's probably fine. I want... Yeah, this thing. Alright. So, first one, we are... we're gonna go 10, because I'm gonna have the sun be right in the way. Alright, stop all the keyframe changing colors, because we're gonna set our own background colors. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. 2 to 10. There we go. Perfect. Background color. Oh shit. Alright. Thanks, Super Maven. Why does... Oh. Gotta re-up that, SAS for loop. Once I find it again. We're back at 10. Alright. Look at that. Each one's a different color. But we need... So for this color one... Yeah, we'll change these to be our new variables for colors. We all knew they weren't staying. Brightest yellow. You could. Oh shit. Like something. Yeah. Yeah, that looks like a stupid bright yellow. Then what is that? A color slurp? No, I do not. A color sync. What's that? Nope, never mind. I don't care what that is. Well, that looks like almost pink to me. Go away. I go gray, a type of gold, kinda. I don't know, what's a good grayish color? It's kinda, it's a lighter gray. AE. Yes. Alright. That's kind of a, it's a yellow, but it's a more gold. Yeah, kinda, I don't quite get how that works, but yeah, something like that. Is that the exact same color? Yes, it is. No, it's not. Whatever. I didn't design the planets. What that, like ocean blue. That's pretty close, I bet. Thought Mars was supposed to be the red planet. This doesn't look red to me. Like orange. Like a so orange, it's like just inches away from being red. I think that works. Jupiter's got gold and white. Sure. Saturn's got the rings. I'm amazed at how well I know my planets. Is that the one I just did? No. Ah, my saving grace. The ones I haven't done are capitalized. Saturn's kinda yellowish again. I don't know who's in charge of the colors of the planets, but they're not incredibly creative. They're kind of white-ish. Like around there, but kinda light blue. Yeah, something like that. Neptune. We don't get Pluto in this image? No, I'm not advocating for Pluto being a planet. It's being torn apart by corporations. But I'd like to have it on my little mouse following solar system. Cool, Pluto's gonna be that kind of gray color. Because I don't want to take the time to find another image. Alright. There we go. I was gonna do sizes too. We've got time. Always have to make sure that this impedes on the nothing I'm going to do later. Or doesn't impede. Yeah. Solar system. Size comparison. Okay. Well, the biggest one is the sun. Yes, I did know that beforehand. We'll say width 300 pixels. And just because I'm super lazy, aspect ratio 1. Alright. It's not ridiculous enough yet. Alright. So Mercury, whoa, is pretty small. So you can close that now. It was worthless. Say 50px. Venus is bigger, but not quite as big as Earth. So that would make Earth like 120. Mars. Quite. Smaller than Earth, bigger than Mercury. Smaller than Venus. So like 80 pixels. I don't know. What's after Mars? Jupiter, which is fucking gigantic. If somebody finds like the actual math for this, that would be pretty cool. Send it in chat or send it in a link or what? In on the YouTube video. Oh, I set that one up to 500. We can go 300 here. Saturn's a bit smaller except for the ring. Which I'll come back to. We'll say 200 for both of those. And Pluto's I set one at 50. I guess Pluto's like 25 then. Yeah, this is what I would. Wait, what the fuck? Now, if I'm not miscounting here, that's too many. I have it set for 10. 10 children. Ten in the for loop. There's 5 there. And 5. Okay. I guess that is 10. I have to do individual multipliers for each of those now. Let's add a before to what's your issue? Oh, okay. Uh, Saturn's usually portrayed with it like this. So from the bottom left, okay, what's the width of that? 280. So we'll say like 400. Also, height 400. Border radius 50. Actually, we'll say background transparent. And then we'll do a, yes, border 10px solid. There's Mercury. I don't know why I thought it was going to work differently. Clearly I am an idiot. It's a top view of Mercury. Uh it should just be. I wonder if I could also put something over top of this to make it spin. Feel like everything in the world should spin. I think that's just a good way to run things. If you can read your website, you're doing it completely wrong. Oh, that's so much. Am I doing a keyframe? Yep. Alright, this background stuff can come out. Mouse follower. Spine. Yep, mouse follower spine. That's what we're looking for. 100 and... Oh, no. Have you ever had a site make you seasick? This is what that looks like. Why is my z-index that low? Alright. First off, way too slow. Let's do 1 second. Oh yeah, that's no. No, we'll do 5. I think it had it at 15 before, which is... If you've ever wanted an acid trip, but you didn't want to pay for acid, come to this site. Just to be even more confusing, I'm gonna like start putting weird border radiuses on here. Border top. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. 0. Border bottom left radius. Border top right. Alright, now the sun looks all weird. We gotta stop that spin animation. Also, that mouse, but yeah, we're not doing that color changer thing anymore. Alright, look at that. Doesn't that look awful now? Now it's a lemon. We did it, guys. Alright, where's that one? Supposed to be nth child 2. So, Mercury? Also, Saturn's ring should be tighter. tap 150. Damn it. Made it worse. We're so close. Yep, I like that. Look at that. Now Saturn's got its own stuff. I also feel like it's not. One of you doesn't look right. Oh. One of me's an idiot, that's why. Alright. Now they're going to be all solar system. The solar system, but it's lemons. Look at that. Or only the top parts of fish. This is what my site will be. I would say, let's even go this far. Because this, oh my god. Oh, it can't do it. It can't do it. It can't handle it. Because I'm also doing the transform here. I'd have to go back to a top and left. You know what? Let's go back to a top and left. I want to see how bad this breaks. Ah. What are you? Oh. You're still whining about stuff? Quit whining. There we go. Does the top and left not work anymore? No, the top and left works. How about this? Make it look a bit more appealing. What? What? What did I do? Why? How is it? Do I have... Oh, because I'm an idiot? That's why? Awesome. That's what I want. Alright. Now, we've got the multipliers in there. Each one of them spins. They're lemons for some reason. Let's take those border radiuses off. And then we won't be able to tell that they're spinning. Not you. Well, okay, not your border radius. Yep, they're still spinning. You just can't tell now. Yeah. What if we do... Set all the border radiuses to 0, that makes them squares. Then we slowly round them. By percentages. Because we can do percentages because they're square. Now round... Alright, so 50% border radius is a complete circle. But if we do 49... It ought to be just enough to recognize that they're spinning. You can kinda see it if you look real damn close. I'm gonna go to 48. It's a little more noticeable now. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Maybe I want to make it... I like seeing where it's not good, and then going back to good to make sure that it's good. And I know that didn't make any sense. But it's all good. Yeah, that looks a little too uniform. 47 was better. Yeah. Also, not spinning, like, these spin at way faster than that. And this is scaled down. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Let's also do that to the spinner container. Alright. Yes. This is perfect. Width. Let's actually, if we set the width to 500 and the height to 500, shouldn't it... Let's set them both to 1. Oh, It got worse. What the hell? Escape. Position relative. Yeah, does not help even kinda. What if I set it to 100%? Why do I see more of it now? Should I over... Yeah, we'll see. That'll turn off the, everything. No, the overflow hidden. Oh, shit. It's almost time to skedaddle. Alright, well, this is fun. Yeah, follow for more. I'm gonna try and do these 4 days a week. Just continue building dumb shit here. Yeah. That's, oh. We got a master's going up. Updated with more dumb shit. And, CI/CD pipeline. So that's going up. How well does Netlify work? I don't remember. Valid configuration, that's assigned to master, general. Deployment functions. Alright, well, here's the question. It's up. For sure it's up. Tomorrow, I have no idea what we're gonna do. I bet we find out then. Hope everyone enjoys it, and keep watching. See you guys.